Hello children, very good morning ma. I am Navya teacher. Today we have to write our question and answers ma in Bunty shrinking clothes. All of you take out your classwork. Yesterday we write hard words in this lesson. Today we have to write the question and answers. All of you take out your classwork. Take out your classwork and enter first one. Okay, take out your classwork and enter the first question. What does Bunty love to eat? Tell me, what does Bunty love to eat? What does W-H-A-T, what? W-H-A-T, what? All of you write W in capital letter. We start the sentence with a capital letter. Okay, W-H-A-T, what? D-O-E-S, does. What does? Leave the gap between the word to word. Okay, leave the gap between word to word. What does Bunty? B-U-N-T-Y, Bunty. Name. Here Bunty is the name. So we have to write B in a capital letter. What does Bunty love to eat? L-O-V-E, love to eat. E-A-T, eat. Question mark. This is a question. So we have to put a question mark. What does Bunty love to eat? What does W-H-A-T, what? D-O-E-S, does. B-U-N-T-Y, Bunty, love. L-O-V-E, love to. T-O-2, E-A-T, eat. What does Bunty love to eat? Question mark. We put a question mark to the question. Okay. Write down the answer. Answer means we have to write A. Okay, start writing. What does Bunty love to eat, children? Tell me. He loves to eat cheese. He always eat cheese. He always eats cheese for breakfast, cheese for dinner, cheese for lunch. So he all the time eats only cheese. So we have to write cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Bunty loves to eat cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Bunty loves to eat cheese. C-H-E-S-E, cheese. Next one, we have to write the second question mark. What is the second question? What all did Bunty eat that night? Tell me what Bunty eat that night. That night Bunty start eating healthy food. Healthy food means Bunty eats rotis, carrots, beans, like that. They have to eat. Bunty has to eat. Okay children? Start writing. W-H-A-T, what? What? All did. A-L-L, all. T-I-D, did. B. Bunty. Bunty means we have to write B in a capital letter. Bunty is a name. So we have to write B in capital letter. Bunty eat. E-A-T, eat. T-H-A-T, that. N-I-Z-H-T, night. Read and write, all of you read and write. Don't write blindly ma. Read and write. T-H-A-T, that. N-I-Z-H-T, night. That, like that you have to read. Read with the spellings, okay? N-I-Z-H-T, night. What all did Bunty eat that night? Question mark. We put a question mark, okay, for the question. And answer we have to write. What all did Bunty eat that night? He eats rotis, peas, carrots, okay. So we have to write rotis. R-O-T-I-S, rotis. Next one, carrots. C-A-R-R-O-T-S, carrots. Peas, P-E-A-S, peas. And A-N-D, and. Next one, a banana. A B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Rotis, R-O-T-S, rotis. Carrots, C-A-R-R-O-T-S, carrots. Peas, P-E-A-S, peas. And A-N-D, and. A B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Rotis, carrots, peas, and a banana. Okay, start reading. All of you start reading. Down your pencils and start reading. What does W-H-A-T, what? D-O-E-S, does. What does Bunty, B-U-N-T-Y, Bunty, love, L-O-V-E, love, to, T-O-2, E-A-T, eat. What Bunty love to eat. What does Bunty love to eat, ma? Cheese. He always eat cheese. So we have to write cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Next one. What all did? W-H-A-T. What? All. A-L-L. All. Did. D-I-D. Did. Bunty. B-U-N-T-Y. Bunty. What all did? Bunty eat. E-A-T. Eat. T-H-A-T. That. N-I-G-H-T. Night. What all did Bunty eat that night? Tell me, what all did Bunty eat that night? From that night, Bunty start eating healthy food. He eat rotis. R-O-T-I-S. Rotis. Carrots. C-A-R-R-O-T-S. Carrots. Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. A-N-D. And. A. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Rotis. Carrots. Peas. And a banana. Bunty eats rotis, carrots, peas and a banana. Okay. Okay children. From this lesson what we have to learn? Tell me what you have to learn. What you have learned from this lesson? Tell me, ma. We stop eating unhealthy food. We start eating healthy food. Okay. We start eating healthy food. Don't eat outside food. We start eating healthy food. Healthy food means carrot, peas, banana, okay, rotis, like that we have to eat. Okay children? Okay, we enter into our new lesson, ma. What is our new lesson? Open the new lesson. Take out your textbook. All of you open the page number 24. Take out your textbook and open the page number 24. Take out your textbook. Our new lesson, healthy food. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. F-O-O-D. Food. Healthy food. What is our new lesson, ma? Fifth lesson. We are entering into fifth lesson. What is our fifth lesson? Healthy food. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. F-O-O-D. Food. Healthy food. This is our new lesson. Okay, shall we start? What is meaning of healthy? Healthy means if we take healthy, if we take strong and if we take healthy food, we become strong. We become strong. Okay, if we take the healthy food, we become very strong, and it healthy food protects us from the illness, falling from the illness. Okay, it becomes very strong. So what are the healthy foods? You know, healthy foods. You know. Healthy foods means fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables. Okay, all these are the healthy foods. All these are healthy foods. What are healthy foods? Tell me. Fruits, vegetables, and leafy vegetables. These are all the healthy foods. These are all the healthy foods. Okay, let's discuss about the healthy food. Okay. Tomatoes are red, beans are green. Okay, see, tomatoes are red. Tomatoes are red. Beans are green. A brinjal has a crown just like a queen. Potatoes are brown. Onions are pink. Carrots have juice that is healthy to drink. Vegetables make me strong, healthy and wise. I eat them every day with a roti and rice. Okay children, take out your textbook, open the page number 25. This is your lesson. What is our lesson name? Healthy food. How the tomatoes, you see the tomatoes? Yes, tomatoes are, how are the tomatoes? What is the tomatoes color? Tomatoes are round. Yes, like this. Tomato is like this. Tomato is in a red color. What is the color of tomato? Red color. We see in our fridge. Okay. Yes, our mom keep tomatoes in a fridge. Yes, tomatoes in a red color. Tomatoes in a red color. Next one, beans. How are the beans? What is the beans color? Here you see beans. Healthy food means fruits, vegetables, okay, leafy vegetables, all these are healthy foods. All these are healthy foods. Here you see the beans. Beans is in a green color. What is the color of beans, ma? Next one, brinjal. Brinjal, here you see brinjal. Yes, brinjal. Brinjal has a crown. This is the crown. The crown is green color. The brinjal crown is in a green color. Next one, just like a queen. The brinjal is like a queen. Okay, next one, potatoes. How are the potatoes? You like potato curry? Yes, I like very much, children. You like potato? Yes, all the children are very interested to eat potato, aloo paratha, like that. So potatoes are in brown color. How are the potatoes, ma? Potatoes are in brown color. How are the potatoes? What is the color of potatoes? Potatoes are in brown color. Next one, onions. How are the onions? Onions are in a pink color and white in also. Onions are white also. Onions are pink color and white color also. Next one, carrots have juice that is healthy to drink. How is the carrots? Carrots have juice. Carrot juice is very healthy. Healthy means it's become very strong. Carrot juice becomes very strong. It gives strength. So carrot juice is very healthy. Next one, vegetables make me strong. Vegetables make me strong and healthy. How are the vegetables make me healthy? If we eat the vegetables, we become very strong. It gives us a strength. So we are eating. Also, we have to eat the vegetables. We have to eat the vegetables, fruits. Okay, leafy vegetables. Okay, children. Next one, I eat them every day with them roti and rice. How we eat the vegetables? Our mom prepared curry with the vegetables and we eat the curry with the roti and rice. We eat the curry with roti and rice. We directly eating vegetables? No. We directly eat carrot but we don't eat vegetables. We prepare the curry. Our mom prepare for us curry and we eat with the roti and rice. Okay, children? Okay, see. All of you put your finger on the first line, ma. Page number 25. Put your finger on the first line. Okay. Tomatoes are red. How are the tomatoes? Tomatoes are red. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. Tomatoes. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. Tomatoes are red. A-R-E-R. Red. R-E-D. Red. Tomatoes are red. Next one, beans. Beans are green. B-E-A-N-S. Beans. B-E-A-N-S. Beans. Beans are green. A-R-E-R. G-R-E-E-N. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Beans are green. Next one. A brinjal has a crown. A-B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal has. H-A-S has. A-C-R-O-W-N. Crown. A brinjal has a crown. Next one, just like a queen. Just like a queen. J-U-S-T, just. L-I-K-E, like. Just like a queen. A-Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Just like a queen. Next one, potatoes are brown. How are the potatoes, ma? Potatoes are brown in color. P-O-T-A. P-O-T-A. T-O-E-S. Potatoes are A-R-E-R. Brown. How are the potatoes? What is brown? Brown means it's a chocolate color. A-R-E-R. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Potatoes are brown. Onions are pink. O-N-I-O-N-S. Onions are A-R-E-R. P-I-N-K. Pink. Onions are pink. Next one, carrots have juice. Carrots have juice. C-A-R-R-O-T-S. Carrots have. H-A-V have. J-U-I-C-E. Juice. J-U-I-C-E. Juice. Carrots have juice. That healthy to drink. That is healthy to drink. T-H-A-T. That is. I-S is healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. To D-O-2. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Healthy to drink. Next one. Vegetables make me strong. Vegetables make me strong. V-Z-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables make me. M-A-K-E. Make. M-E. Me. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Vegetables make me strong. Healthy. H-E-L-T-Y. healthy and wise. Next one you see my last line. I eat them every day. I eat, E-A-T, eat, T-H-E-M, them, every day, E-V-E-R-Y, every, D-A-Y, day, every day, with W-I-T-H, with, roti, R-O-T-I, roti, and A-N-D, and, J-U-I-C, juice. I eat them every day with roti and rice. Okay children, I am repeating the lesson. You put your finger on the lines. Okay. Tomatoes are red, beans are green, a brinjal has a crown just like a queen. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink, carrots have juice that is healthy to drink. Vegetables make me strong, healthy and wise. I eat them every day with roti and rice. Okay, this is our lesson children. Okay, underline the hard words. You have to underline the hard words. Okay. Underline hard words. You have to underline the hard words in this lesson. Okay children. This is what is our lesson name? What is our lesson name, ma? Lesson name is healthy food. Okay, we have to do the project work, ma. For FA1 exams, you have to submit on Wednesday. Okay, what is your project work? I will say you. Okay, you have to do the project work. What is our project means? You have to paste the healthy food pictures. Okay. For example, first take out your chart. Take out your chart. Okay. Project work. All of you write project work. Project work. And next one, take out your chart and healthy food. You have to write health. No. Okay, you have to do healthy foods. Healthy foods you have to enter, and you have to paste the healthy foods. For example, carrots, beans, rotis. Pictures you have to paste. Okay, pictures you have to paste. Carrots, beans, peas. Okay, here you see page number 22. 22 you see. Page number 22 you see here. Fruits also. So you have to paste the fruit pictures. And next one, vegetables, milk, water. Like that you have to paste the pictures and write the names. One by one you have to paste. For example, milk. Here you write milk. What is the use of milk? You have to write. Milk gives us energy. And milk is a protein. Okay, milk gives us energy and milk gives us proteins. Okay, like that you have to write. Uses also you have to write. Okay, first you have to paste the picture, write the name and use also. If you know the use, you have to write the use. Milk gives us proteins. Next one, egg. Egg is also, you paste the picture of egg and you have to write the name egg and write the use of egg. Egg gives us proteins. Like that you have to write. This is your project work, ma. You have to submit on Wednesday. You have 3 days time. This is your FA1 project. Okay. And healthy foods. You have to do in your project work also. Project work notebook. Or otherwise you have to do in a chart. Okay. Chart also you have to do. Take out your chart and project work. Healthy foods. Healthy foods means take out your pictures. Paste the picture and write the name, use. You have to write. This is your project work, Nana. Okay, children. Today you have to read the lesson. Healthy food lesson you have to read. Page number 25 you have to read the lesson and underline the hard words. Okay, children. Tomorrow I will meet you, ma. Bye.